Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I won, I won again. Man, maybe I should run down to the casino. I am thrilled to tell you that I won from this drawing from Fayes Life channel. I love Faye. I love it when she uploads a video. Fayes is one of those YouTube channels that I really respect, because when she does a doll review, or any review, sometimes she talks about a dinner that she brought out and she'll give you a little review of it. She's really cute. But she's very honest, and I always appreciate that in a review. I think sometimes in reviews, people get overzealous and they cover up the flaws or whatever. Not Faye. She's very honest. And when you go to her channel, it's like going in and sitting down on her couch with her talking. She's fun, she's funny, and she's real. Anyway, thank you, Faye. Wait till you see what I won. I am ecstatic because I can't find these here. I've looked for them, I've seen them on other channels, and there's two in here. These are the little miniatures. Wait till you see how these open. If you haven't seen these before, they are cute. I want to save this container. I like to reuse things, and I'm betting some dolls would fit in there. You know those Barbies from McDonald's? Those will fit in there really well. I had to have my cameraman open this part. I just did my nails and they're breaking so bad because of, well, winter. So I had him open that container, but I really am going to save that and put some Barbies in that, I think. I like to reuse everything I can. All right, these are fun, I'm telling you. There's a little zipper here. I've seen these opened on YouTube. And like I said, our Walmart, we live in a tiny town, not just a small town, but a tiny town. However, this tiny town, unlike our South Dakota tiny town, has a Walmart, but they don't have these. Okay, part of the fun, they say, is opening these. Okay, that's their zipper. How do I, you know what? Let's see if I can do some dangerous things. You know, this is an adult channel and you have to decide what you want to take away from my channel. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, cameraman had to help. I'm vain and I don't want to break another nail. All right, and then, what?
I'm just watching you struggle with the next piece.
Isn't that cool how that comes out? You know what these remind me of? They remind me of those oranges that Darren and I buy at Christmas. They're those chocolate orange, I can't think what the exact name of them is, but we buy those every year and I get fat around the holidays. Oh my goodness. How they really, oh look here. Okay, so there's more there than I knew. There are actually, what, 5? Or is this one 2? Nope, it's 5. So you peel them away, and they have the absolute cute, these are so tiny, I gotta get my glasses. Isn't that adorable? These are replicas of actual toys, actual stuff that make the best props, especially for like taking photos of your dolls. These are great for like the 1/6. Oh my God, can you see that? There is actually an itty bitty doll in there. I need a quarter so people can see just how tiny that is. Look at the writing on there. I mean, these are actual miniatures. That's why I wanted these. So Faye, I cannot thank you enough. Let's open another one. Oh, look at this. It is the Jojo hairstyling. Look at that, she's actually in there. That is not just a printed picture. That, let's turn it this way. Can you see that? Wow, I got some great stuff in here. Isn't that the cutest? And that's Jojo. Oh, this is more fun than I thought. Oh my goodness. Look at these 64 crayons. They had these, Crayola Crayons had these when I was a kid, the 64. It's what I always got. The color was called Hot Pink when I was a kid. And that is the crayon that I had down to about this big by the end of the school year. And all my pinks and purples were used up. And I still had, you know, browns and grays and what have you. Oh, look at that. Now, I'm not actually going to open this, but I'm betting, oh my God, that is the cutest. These are adorable. Now, I am going to save these and try to come up with crafts that you can do with these. I saw one person had a Barbie doll diorama. It was a bedroom, and they took these and put them on the wall, and then they put plants in these. It was really cute. And wouldn't that be cute under a window in a Barbie diorama? Real cute. Okay, let's open the other one. Okay, two things. One, I had the cameraman open this, and he started opening. I said, oh, don't open that. And he's like, well, let me have a little fun. And I wanted to show you that they also send a checklist to show you all the stuff you did not get so that you go and buy more. Isn't that cool? Advertising, smart, brilliant marketing. Okay, let's open this. And it's a 5 slice. Oh, you get to build something. Well, there you go, Darren. There's your fun. You get to build the basket. How cute is that? It makes this little basket. And look, they have tiny instructions on how to do that. So there's his fun. And let's open another one. Faye, I just cannot thank you enough. This is so fun. Okay, here's another, ha ha ha, here's what you didn't get. Go back and buy more. Oh, it is a tiny, what do they call these? Hatchimals? Rainbow rams? That's adorable. It's an absolute miniature of another toy. That is just the cutest. I mean, these are absolute miniatures. Oh my goodness. Faye, there's good stuff in here. Who doesn't love Ninja Turtles? My middle son, oh, he was really into Ninja Turtles. Now, my oldest son and my youngest son liked them too. But my oldest son was really into Star Wars. My second son was really into those. So that is really fun, brings back a lot of memories. Wow, I am really getting a lot of good stuff. Oh, ho, 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 ho. What are these called? Furlings. And it is, can you see that sideways? It is actually in there. I'm not opening this. But that little monkey or furling is actually in there. How darling are these? Oh man, I don't want this fun to end. And here's the last one. Oh, it's the bow. How cute is this? This is, I believe, yeah, Jojo's bow. This will actually, I've seen people take this off. Or I thought I did. Maybe not. Okay, I thought it was a hair clip. Isn't that adorable? I just love this. Okay, these two were listed under rare on the little this is what you didn't get list. And I have to tell you, they drew me in because there are some things on here. Now I'm all hooked on this. These are so cute. Thank you so much, Faye. I cannot tell you how much I appreciate it. Oh, and Darren got the little cart together. Isn't that adorable? And you can put your little stuff in there. So now I'm going to come up with some crafts for this and put my little Barbies in here. Thank you, Faye. What a fun thing. It's fun. It was fun to participate in your drawing. Can't tell you how thrilled I am to win. drop by Fayes Life and check out her channel. Like I said, you're going to feel like you visited someone's living room and you weren't lied to, because she gives honest reviews. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescued channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.